Hi everyone, this workflow built by Dacotex allows you to seamlessly migrate structured data from Google Sheets into Notion. It standardizes and cleans records such as names, emails, phone numbers, and notes before automatically creating organized database entries in Notion. Designed for one-time imports or controlled syncs, it ensures your workspace stays clean, structured, and reliable. The workflow consists of manual trigger, sheets node, function node, loop, and a Notion node. This is a Notion database. Name as orders in which the database pages will be saved. This is a sheets data consists of name, email, phone, company, lead, source, status, and notes as column. The following data sets are present. Let's execute the workflow for testing. The workflow begins with a manual trigger, so data migration starts only when intentionally executed. This avoids accidental duplication inside Notion. Then the sheets node reads the full sheet including name, email, company, etc. This provides a structured row by row input to process. The function node standardizes each row before upload, normalize data, clean phone digits, ensuring missing fields, rename the fields using split in batches. Each row is processed one at a time. This ensures reliable insertion and easier debugging, especially when working with large sheets. Then Notion node for 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 every row a new Notion page is created inside the target database. Then the loop continues. Let's check the Notion page and the data is saved in a database successfully. This workflow by Dacotex provides a reliable pipeline to transform spreadsheet data into structured Notion records, clean, consistent, and ready to use. Thanks for watching.